So there is no connection between what we do and what we believe and what our religion, right?
No, there is a connection. Those people who do wrong things, they don't believe in it. They're namesake believers, you understand, na? They're so, person who believes in the Quran will never do wrong. The problem is, they are namesake Muslims. They may have the name as Abdullah, Muhammad, Zakir, but they may not be following the Quran. So they're not practicing Muslim, they're not practicing Muslim.
Okay.
But as a whole, if you analyze the majority of the Muslims, the practicing, it is passing level. You know, no one can claim to be 100% perfect Muslim except our beloved Prophet Sallallahu. We can strive to be like him. But most of the Muslims actually do the basic things of Islam. And some people namesake Muslim. So when you're comparing, compare a good Muslim with a good non-Muslim, then you come to know, rather than pick up a black sheep from the community. You understand? So when we know that the person is not following the Quran and Sunnah, so we call him a non-practicing Muslim.